going to do is we're going to make some Christmas balls for the tree, and we are going to fill them with some chocolates. I bought some liqueur cherries in nice red foil wraps individually, and I thought I'd put some of them in each one and put some red ribbon or green ribbon or silver or whatever colour we have, and put it on the tree. Put them on the tree. I'm just going to start by spraying some varnish into one of the sides, and I'm just going to put some snow in. Just for one side. The other side, I'm going to put some alcohol ink in. I'll get rid of that because I don't want that anymore. Get some red. We'll just paint it around, put a bit of alcohol in to give it some movement. That's Pinata Chili is what I'm using, is the red. I'm going to just use my blower quickly to dry it out. And I'm going to put some gold in too. And that's the Pinata Gold. And don't forget to shake that one up because it needs shaking. It settles. It's got a ball bearing in it for that reason. I'll just put just a couple of drops just to give it some movement. And again, I'm going to just blow it so that it, more than anything, so it dries quickly, so you can see what I'm doing. Right, that's pretty. You can put as much as you like or as little as you like in it. Like a bit more red, I think. Whoops. Right, I'm going to do that with different colours on the ones I've got. And put together. I'm not clipping them together yet because I want to put the chocolates in them. But that's what they come out like. So they're pretty. You put the chocolates in and stick them on the tree. You don't have to put the snow in the front, or you can put glitter in the front, or anything you like. But I'm going to do a few now, and I'll come back when I'm going to put the chocolates and finish them off. I'll just quickly show you the colours of the backs that we've ended up with. They've come out really pretty. what I did also was